Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make cookies using air fryer step by step. Preheat the air fryer to 350 degrees F, measure dough into 1 tablespoon scoops, and space them with at least 1 inch between each. Lightly flatten dough for even browning, then set timer based on your model. Rotate the basket halfway for consistent color. Cool cookies on a rack to finish crisping before serving. Start by creaming room temperature butter with sugar until light and fluffy, then add eggs one at a time and vanilla. Fold and dry ingredients gently to avoid overworking gluten, and mix in chocolate chips or nuts the last minute. If dough is sticky, chill it 1/4 to 30 minutes to make scooping easier and control spread during air frying. These steps give a tender, evenly textured cookie every time. If you're enjoying the video, please subscribe and like to support more easy cooking tutorials. Quick recommendation: a book that can truly change how you think about money, The Simple Path to Wealth, pairs nicely with kitchen breaks and thoughtful habits. Check the description for the link and other deals to grab a copy if you want. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Place scooped dough in a single layer with space between cookies and air, fry at 350 degrees F for about 6 to 9 minutes, watching closely in the final minute. Rotate the basket at the midpoint to avoid uneven browning and adjust time for larger or smaller cookies. Remove when edges are golden, but centers still soft. Then let them rest in the basket 1 to 2 minutes before moving to a cooling rack to finish crisping.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.